The heart of your home, your carpet. Your carpet is more than just floor covering. It's the foundation of your living space, where your family gathers and memories are made. A well-maintained carpet creates warmth and adds beauty to your home. Just like any cherished possession, your carpet needs proper care to stay beautiful. Neglecting its upkeep can lead to a decline in its appearance and lifespan. Fortunately, keeping your carpets looking their best doesn't require strenuous effort. Simple habits and routine care can make a world of difference. Let's explore a common mistake that many people make and how you can easily avoid it to preserve the beauty and longevity of your carpets. First, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. The stain magnet. Ignoring quick action. We've all been there. A spill happens on the carpet and we think, I'll get to it later. This procrastination, my friends, is the biggest mistake you can make. Delaying the cleanup allows the spill to penetrate the carpet fibers. The longer it sits, the more chance it has to set in and become a permanent stain. Liquids seep deep into the padding, creating a breeding ground for odors and bacteria. Even seemingly harmless substances like juice or coffee can leave behind stubborn discoloration. Remember, time is of the essence when it comes to carpet stains. Prompt action is your best defense against lasting damage. Tell us in the comments about your favorite carpet stain removal tricks. Why quick action matters. Stains set in. Time is of the essence when dealing with spills. Carpet fibers are designed to be durable, but they have their limits. They can only withstand so much before they start to break down. When a spill occurs, the liquid immediately begins to break down the fibers. This is a chemical reaction that starts almost instantly. This process weakens the carpet's structure and makes it more susceptible to staining. The fibers lose their integrity and become fragile. The longer the spill sits, the more the fibers deteriorate, and the stain becomes more deeply embedded. Over time, the stain can become a permanent part of the carpet. Imagine a drop of ink on a paper towel. The paper towel acts like the carpet fibers, absorbing the liquid. If you blot it immediately, you can lift most of the ink. Quick action is crucial to prevent the ink from spreading, but if you wait, the ink spreads and seeps into the paper, making it impossible to remove completely. The stain becomes a part of the material. The same principle applies to your carpet. Immediate action can make all the difference. Quick action prevents the stain from setting in and causing lasting damage. Acting fast can save your carpet and keep it looking new. Your carpet's best friend, prompt spot cleaning. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to keep your carpet looking fresh and clean. Now that you understand the importance of immediate action, let's discuss the right way to tackle spills. Acting promptly can make a significant difference in maintaining the appearance and longevity of your carpet. The key is to act quickly and gently. Quick action prevents the spill from setting in, while gentle handling ensures the carpet fibers remain intact. First, blot the spill with a clean white cloth or paper towels. This helps to absorb as much of the liquid as possible without pushing it deeper into the carpet. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain and damage the carpet fibers. Rubbing can also cause the spill to penetrate further into the carpet. Blot from the outside in to prevent the spill from expanding. This technique helps to contain the spill and minimize the affected area. Next, mix a mild carpet cleaner with water according to the instructions. Using the right proportions ensures effective cleaning without damaging the carpet. Apply the solution to the stain and blot again. This helps to lift the stain from the carpet fibers. Rinse the area with clean water and blot dry. Removing any cleaning solution residue is crucial to prevent attracting more dirt. If the stain persists, repeat the process or consider using a specialized carpet stain remover. These products are designed to tackle tough stains effectively. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Use coasters for drinks to avoid spills. Place mats under pet bowls to catch any spills or splashes, and consider having your carpets professionally cleaned annually. Professional cleaning can help maintain the carpet's appearance and extend its lifespan. Beyond spot removal, long-term carpet care. While prompt stain removal is crucial, regular maintenance is equally important for keeping your carpets looking their best. This involves more than just occasional cleaning. It requires a consistent and thorough approach. Vacuuming at least once a week removes dirt and debris that can dull the fibers and lead to premature wear. This simple task can significantly extend the life of your carpet. Consider investing in a vacuum cleaner with a rotating brush or beater bar to agitate the carpet fibers and remove embedded dirt. These types of vacuums are particularly effective at lifting dirt that has settled deep within the carpet. For high traffic areas, vacuum more frequently, perhaps 2 or 3 times a week. These areas accumulate more dirt and debris, which can quickly wear down the carpet fibers if not regularly cleaned. In addition to vacuuming, consider having your carpets professionally cleaned every 12 to 18 months. Professional cleaning services use advanced equipment and techniques to ensure a deep clean. Professional cleaning removes deep-seated dirt and grime that regular vacuuming may miss. This process not only cleans but also revitalizes the carpet, making it look almost new. By following these simple tips, you can keep your carpets looking clean, fresh, and inviting for years to come. A well-maintained carpet not only enhances the beauty of your home but also contributes to a healthier living environment. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.